Workspaces are essentially folders in which you can group projects. At the top of your dashboard, you will see a drop-down area, and this is where you access the workspaces. Here we already have a number of workspaces, but let's go ahead and create a new one. That is done here at the bottom, create new workspace. I'll type in my new workspace and then click on the plus to lock it in. Once you have created a new workspace, your workspace will update to that new one you have created. You can see at the top, it currently says My New Workspace. From the drop-down menu, you will see that the others are still there. And if you want to go back to your previous one, simply select it. And this way you easily navigate between the various workspaces. Now you have this workspace in which you can create new websites, pop-ups, and stories independent from the others. This is particularly useful when you assign team members, when you have different team members for different projects that you don't want to see each other's projects, you assign workspaces for those different teams. To edit the name of the workspace, go to the drop-down, hover over the workspace you want to edit, and select the pencil. A different name. And you can also delete it. Hover over the workspace and select delete.